When it comes to beauty hacks, cucumber ice cubes tops the list. It's easy to make, extremely versatile, and the effects of using them on your face are amazing. Cucumber ice cubes soothe pimples, sunburn, reduce redness and swelling. A face massage with cucumber ice cube can exfoliate your skin and brighten your complexion by boosting circulation. It helps to shrink lash pores and is equally beneficial to treat puffy eyes. Just take a fresh cucumber and wash it thoroughly. Chop it into small pieces. Put chopped cucumber in a blender or food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of rose water and blend until smooth. Pour the mixture in an ice cube tray and freeze it. You can also mix few drops of lemon juice to the mixture. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Rinse your face with cool water later and apply hydrating cream. Use these cooling cucumber ice cubes for glowing skin. Try it daily and you will get an amazing results just after a few days. Use 1 cucumber ice cube daily. Gently rub it all over your face and eyes. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get new video updates.